Well, morning. I hope you can hear me above all the raging wind. We've just been hit by a storm, Storm Hannah, they've named it, racing across the Atlantic and hitting the UK this morning. The wind's due to get stronger and stronger and stronger today, with like gale force 50, 60 mile an hour winds. So I decided I wouldn't go sea fishing so I get washed off the beach. So I've come up to Alderwood Ponds again. Try and get a perch as usual. £2 plus perch would be perfect. If nothing much is happening, I'm going to stick one rod out on a little boilie and see if I can catch a carp. There's a few people here, not too busy for a Saturday. I'm fishing into this sheltered little corner here. It's about 8:30 now. Been fishing for about half an hour and I've had 3 or 4 bites already. I don't know, I missed the first one. It whacked right the way up and the rod pulled round, struck and I missed it. And the other 2 were like half lifts, which I suspect are roach. But it's looking good, you know. I mean, last time I was here, I sat here all day and didn't get a bite. Just had a little nibble on the right hand rod then too. So it's looking a lot more promising than last time. Fingers crossed I'll get a few fish if I don't get blown off the lake. There you go. Another little lift, that's going. I've got something on here. It's quite small, I think. I suspect it's a roach. It's going a bit. I don't know. What is it? Oh, it's a lovely perch. Well, sorry about that. I guess I was trying to play the fish with one hand and hold the GoPro with the other. I thought it was a little roach, but look what it's turned out to be. An absolutely stonking, beautiful, beautiful fat perch. Which, as I was just saying just now, the target for the day, a £2 plus perch. Well, that's a £2 plus, I'd say. He's a real fat porker. £2 plus easy. Brilliant. And it's a £2 perch. £2 4 ounces this is. And I've been getting quite a few bites, so I could get 1 or 2 today on the old prawn as usual. So it's a right old fat porker, this one. And I've had 3 or 4 bites and I've only been here half an hour, so things are looking good. There we go, perch number 2. Another nice fish, and the old prawn. I've had a roach as well, that was £1.5. This is about probably pushing £2 again. That lovely fish. It's only about 10 o'clock, so I've got plenty of time to get another one. lovely fish.